Hey guys, welcome to Clubmaths. Thank you for joining with us here today. And uh, as you know, that I always say, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. So today we are going to discuss about another shape, which is square of your plane geometry. So, you probably know that what exactly, but there are maybe few things that you want to know because later on we will figure out that what exactly we are talking about, that what square is and what square can do. So the shape I can make it. Let's see that if I can make this square. I know that's hard to, but yeah, hopefully, yeah, this looks like square. So though if it does not look, I'll pretend that this is square and so let's say that this is a square. So characteristics of square is like square has all the sides, all the edges are equal to each other. So this, and this. So we can call it as A, B, C, and D. They all are equal to each other. So A equals to B equals to C equals to D. Okay, so uh, let's talk about the area. What exactly the area of square and how to calculate it. So the area of square is, it's pretty simple. We have to just figure out what we have to do. It is your length into width, right? Or length into height, whatever you want to say as, length into breadth, sometimes people say. So in this case, it will be A cross B, or we can say A square, because they all are equal to each other. So you can say as A square or A cross B. So point here is, if let's take a different color. If this is 2 centimeter and this so definitely these all, if this side is 2 centimeter, all are 2 centimeter, so your area of square is 2 to the power of 2, which is 4, or you can say that 2 cross 2 is 4. And now let's talk about perimeter. Perimeter is, again, as we talk about, we discuss and cover about all the four sides and vertices and edges. So perimeter of square is 4 cross A, which is A means like this as the side, this, they all. So we are going to multiply all by 4, or we can say that A plus B plus C plus D is your perimeter. Okay, so this is how we're going to, if there will be any problem or concern that you have, that how to.
So let's discuss about diagonals. Diagonal of a square is, I don't know if you have seen it or not, but there's a calculation, right? So let's say A is your length of the diagonal, right? No, sorry, no, A is the length of length, breadth, or width, height, whatever you want to say, and square. So your diagonal will be A cross square root of 2. So diagonal is something which will divide square into equal to and mids and your connection to the middle intersection. So your diagonal D, let's say, if you want to calculate, will be A cross square root of 2. So let's say if you have let's say what, 4, right? So your a is 4 cross square root of 2. So this would be your answer for square root of 2. You have to, definitely distribute further. It depends until where you have to distribute and figure out what exactly the dot answer is. But yes, by this way you can, write down, and this will help you out. So in this chapter we learned about square, how to calculate area, perimeter, and diagonal. I'm sure you have, there are many questions there that you can try. And if you feel any, if you have any further concerns or questions, please post us back on our comment section. Thank you for joining with us. Have a good day.